Good morning, everyone. Storm Spotter Asa here, once again. Just a quick follow-up from a video I did earlier this morning. We now have a flash flood warning for Kansas, expires in 5 hours and 32 minutes for Crawford County. Take a look at this. So this storm isn't too bad, just a lot of heavy rain and thunder. But, as y'all can see, the tracks are all over the place. Plus, we have like 2 hail markers in this storm. But if y'all are in the areas of Franklin or Pittsburgh, be advised you are in that flash flood. Take immediate action. If you want more content like this, please remember to like, comment, and or subscribe. This is Storm Spotter Asa saying have a great day. Stay safe. I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.